Hey guys, and welcome to episode 6 of 52 Weeks of Awesome. And today I'm taking a walk to Chapman's pool. And not only am I going to go down to Chapman's pool, I'm also going to climb up to Houns Tout. Don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but that's how I read it. So it's quite a steep climb. I've kind of looked at it every time I've come to Chapman's pool and thought one day I'll do that. Well, today is the day. I'm also trying a couple of new things today. I'm filming this in 4K for the first time. Never really played around with my GoPro, so it's always been on 1080p. So from now on it's going to be in 4K, you're going to see what that's like. And I've also purchased a drone. So I'm going to be getting some drone shots to put into the videos. And I'm blaming my cousin Wayne for this because he recommended I watch a YouTube channel to get some ideas for how to improve my videos. I did that, and the one thing that stood out to me was the drone footage. So thanks Wayne. But hopefully that'll add quite a lot to the video. So yeah. Hope you enjoy it, and let's see how it goes. Well, I've definitely had a change of plan because there's no way I'm getting up there. There's been a few landslides here by the looks of it. It's all still quite fresh. So I'm just going to take a walk around the peninsula because I've never been around here before. It's a little bit dodgy, a little bit muddy and slippy with the landslides, but it's actually pretty cool. There's a few waterfalls which I've never seen before. Obviously I've seen a waterfall, but not these ones. The one back there was quite impressive, but there was someone sat at the base of it, so I didn't like to film too much. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. He said he's got a drone. Why hasn't he sent the drone up? Well, there's a few people about, and I actually haven't flown the drone yet, or not this one anyway, so I kind of want to get a quiet spot where I can set it up. Hopefully there's no one around this corner and I can get my first drone footage. Just found another cool fossil. How good's that one? But I'm going to leave it here for someone else to find. I don't think you're really supposed to take fossils if you find them, but that is awesome. Okay, so this is it. Maiden voyage of the Mini 2. Well, that was first flight with the drone done, and first impressions are what an awesome little machine. I used to have a £1,300 Mavic 2 Pro, which was awesome, all bells and whistles, obstacle avoidance. It was just incredible. But every time I'd fly it, I get so paranoid that if I crash, that's 1,300 quid gone. So I sold it, and the one that I've bought now costs just over £400 for the drone. Shoots in 4K, really easy to fly, just amazing. I'm well impressed with that. But my drone flying skills need a lot of work. When I'm trying to go down with the gimbal, it's going up. When I'm trying to go up, it's going down. So yeah, so I need a lot of practice with that. So the footage wasn't great, but I'm looking forward to getting some more footage on all of my little adventures. So this is where I am now. Pretty awesome landscape down here. I've never been around this far before. I might just take a walk over there, but I'm just mindful of the tide because it's a bit of a walk back. I've got to walk sort of over to there, so I've just got to make sure I can get back in time. I don't fancy a swim. I've got to say, this is probably my favourite walk so far. It's always great to go somewhere new that you haven't been before. I've got the drone, which is getting some awesome footage despite my pretty poor flying skills. And look at this, it's like being on a different planet. I mean, I give you a sense of scale. I don't know if that does it, but that's bigger than me. The only slightly worrying thing is it's obviously come down from up there at some point. But because of the recent landslides, hopefully we're safe today. But yeah, this is just incredible. I definitely highly recommend checking out Chapman's pool. And like I said earlier, just make sure you check the tide times before you come down. There is an app called, I think it's called My Tide Times, that I use. So that's a great app to get. You can put in your destination and it will tell you when low tide is and when high tide. Yeah. What a view, what a place. So I'm just going to go up to this point up here and then I'm going to start heading back round and catch the sunset on the other side of the bay. Okay, so that's as far as I'm coming for today. That's the view off into the distance. I always lose my bearings a bit as to where I am, but it looks awesome, doesn't it? I don't know where it is, what it is. You've got Portland over in the distance though. You won't be able to see that on the GoPro, I don't expect. It's very kind of volcanic landscape around here. But yeah, incredible place. So this isn't the one that I wanted to show you, but this is another rather large fossil, as you can see by the size of my hand. This is quite good fun. I'm enjoying this fossil hunting. Okay, so actually it wasn't as large as what I thought, but there's loads of them in this rock. So we're just coming back up to the waterfall now, and everyone else is gone, so we can take a proper look. Hopefully I don't slip, because I did just slip on my ass. So I'm just coming back to the other side of the bay now. This is what you find if you come down there. There's a couple of fishermen's huts, a couple of old abandoned boats. It doesn't look like the sunset's going to be great, but I'm going to stay here for 10 minutes and see what happens. I'm going to post a photo at the end of the video of Chapman's pool when I come down here last year, and it's probably one of the best photos I've ever taken. Just incredible. So yeah, so I'm going to sign off there for this video. It's probably dragged on a bit much, this one, but I really enjoyed that. I hope you did too. And let me know if you've been to Chapman's pool, if you're going to come, based on this video, what you thought of it, what you thought of the drone footage. Did it add to the video or not? I think it certainly did. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I will catch you on the next one next week. The only problem with Chapman's pool, it's all uphill on the way back.